Dragon Adventures added 2 new dragons into the game. One is a volcano dragon in the volcano world, and another one is a developer dragon which got added, and you can get this from a new bundle. And in this video I will be showcasing the 2 new dragons, showing you the animations and the model of these dragons, and some information about an update in the volcano world. So first, let's start off with this developer dragon. Let's see how this looks through the camera. So this looks pretty good. It looks like a cat wolf. It's pretty buff. Looks pretty good at first. Let's do the animations. So let's start off with walking. Those seem pretty good. Let's try the flying animations. So this is the idle one. Oh, it doesn't even flap the wings. That's actually pretty cool. That's unique. How is it doing that, I wonder? And flying straight. Those are like light flaps. Pretty good. With the boost, you can go pretty fast. Now let's keep it diving along with the gliding animations. Sitting animation looks pretty good. Sits like a dog, I guess. And let's try the audio. That's pretty good. Sounds pretty good. And bite. Yeah, these are pretty good. This is a pretty good dragon. The model is pretty good, the animations are clean, and overall, I like this dragon. I bet you'll look pretty good if it's a legendary. Now, let's move on to the next new dragon, which is this dragon. This dragon is from the volcano world, and I think it's gonna be pretty good. So, it's around the same size, a bit smaller. It's really beefy and like buff, you know, pretty big. Let's see its animations. Okay, these are the animations. Start off with the walking. Because I'm recording this in a test server, this is not the final stats, so it might be a little bit slow. And in the real game, it could be like way different than this speed. But we're just seeing the animations right now, so that's not important. Now running. It's pretty nice. Let's try flying. Okay, this dragon is flapping its wings. It's pretty clean. We haven't gone to camera with this dragon yet. Let's see it. pretty nice for a world dragon. And normal flying, it's pretty fast. And now let's go up to see the gliding and the diving animations. They're pretty simple, pretty normal, just like many other dragons inside of the game. Now for the sitting animation. And that roar is pretty good too. It has like good effects at the end. So this dragon, I think it's pretty good. I think most people will like it. But for me, I think it's a bit too small. So I probably won't like use it that much. And also inside of the volcano world, they're adding a new tornado that's fire. Like tornado that's mixed with fire. And now I'm going to show you a video of what it looks like. And in the Discord, it says that they are slow moving in a highly dangerous events. But when they happen, you have to be prepared. You have to be prepared. And they're also adding new mobs, so you can try to get this dragon. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.